Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome back to my studio. So today I'm doing a bloom swipe with some of my favorite colors, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Pebeo paint. So I've had quite an adventure this last 6 months with my Pebeo. So a little Pebeo talk. Um, I really didn't realize kind of how vital the Pebeo is with, especially with the bloom swipe when you're leaving negative space and there's so many factors. I kind of switched to Glidden, just like the Glidden regular latex house paint, and I wasn't getting the results that I used to get. So things were cracking and I live in the north, I'm in northern Idaho, so it gets really cold here in the winters, and I feel like as soon as it got colder, my painting started cracking a lot with the Glidden base. And then it kind of dawned on me that I should just go back to what I had been doing last year before I, moved into into the Glidden paint. So, and what it was bare 7300 satin enamel, which is something I always have in my studio because of my pearl paintings. So it's like one part bare 7300. You could also use 8300, which is the gloss or the high gloss. And what that is it's an untinted satin enamel paint. And I mix that about 1-to-1 with a white acrylic. So in this case, I used the Blick student line acrylic, which I had a bunch of it, and that paint does not work well for pearl. So I went ahead and used that for my white. And then I add, maybe a quarter part of GAC 800 and another quarter part or so of water because the 7300 is very thick. It's like goopy thick. So, I add water into that to get it to like a nice warm honey consistency, which is lovely. And what I find about this recipe is that even when my studio was like 64 degrees, my painting still didn't crack. So I was thrilled to come back to this recipe, and I'm going to show you the dried result of the painting I'm about to show you. And I did not have any cracking. I mean, it just like dried really perfect. So if you're having any trouble with cracking, living in different climates, it can be an issue. So give this recipe a try. I think you'll like it, and I'll get you on to this 12 by 12 canvas bloom swipe. Have a beautiful day, you guys. Bye.